Nothing?
No, it's still on.
I don't know how long we should drive for.
P.S. Hadar is scared of heights.
You got fear of heights. Can't look anywhere. Alright, I think this is my building. My house. Except I have no idea where mine goes. Which one is mine?
Well, try another one. Okay, no. Still on?
No.
No.
And another one.
No.
What now?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Like this time, this?
Yeah, that's ours. It shut off for sure. Alright, I'm gonna check the cold water. Hold on, the cold water just splashed everywhere. Hold on. Okay, you turned the hot water heater drain off, most likely. But not the water.
I'm gonna get the cold water.
Jeez Louise. It's quite annoying, isn't it?
That's right here. That's ours. And I gotta see where the cold water spout and try not to fall. Now my commander lived in these buildings, so he knows this better than me. So I'm gonna call the office and see if he knows where the cold one is. My fear of heights. That's dangerous. It's so hot. Alright, so all this business was for naught, because he said there's a master one. It's not a cold and a hot one like I thought. This is the first time I'm doing this. And hopefully I can access it. If not, then I'll be very mad. How does anyone do this? Any sane person. How am I supposed to do this now? You'll hear some grunting and I don't even know how to tilt the camera. Oh, and I'm wearing my flip-flops too, for extra support. This is silly. I don't like this a single bit. No time to waste. I'm gonna take a guess and say the second one is mine. Oh, but I'm gonna call Andrea first because we're smart. We're in the 21st century. And don't want to shut someone else's off because I'm not Israeli. I'm just kidding. Andrea, you don't have reception. Move to where you were before. Ah, she can't operate a phone. We're gonna try again. Yeah. Alright, I think I got it. Shaky cam. Unnecessary. Shaky cam. Okay, here we go.
Hadar has stayed home so he could fix the faucet. Look here, it's so bad. And, yeah. Oh my goodness, it's black.
Let me explain to you what happened. Unnecessary shaky again. Here's what happened. This is the back of the faucet, right? This is where it goes into the wall because it's old. Basically, they drilled through and put two pipes. I believe they're called nipples here. Anyway, this gasket inside of this turned loose or you know, we got eaten up by the years, and then we have to shut it really hard. This fell off. It's right here, dry rotted. The new parts are here. The new faucet is here, and I already started, so let's go. Yesterday we already finished one, and the second one is about to be finished. Yep.
This one is much harder to put together. It's the two side by side, and it's a lot harder, and it looks like I'm going to have help because the pieces are really big.
Leave me alone.
Heavy.
All I do is help.
You're the man.
That's right,
Kitty
Kitty.
says, you're the man. Well, I peed in the plant last night because you put it back where you knew I would pee in it.
Are you playful, Kitty?
So I'm going to get to this, and Hadar is going to get to that, and we're going to have our house all fixed up, and it's going to be nice. Kind of nicer.
What? Oh, nice pillows.
Yeah, she's going to go over there so she could pee in the corner.
Get
of
over
her
here, Kitty.
Backpack.
She just wants some help.
Here's my boxes. That
Oh, she wants in the boxes.
Yeah, keep dreaming.
See how you're mean to her, and that's why she
Yeah,
bites
I
you all
ain't
the
mean
time.
to her. She loves me to grab her tail. Look, she's like, oh, that
This is what she
feels
loves.
good. Look, I'll be going around in a circle, twirling her tail.
Tail.
I'm from the country.
Jesus, don't want to do that again. So you have to take this out. It's full Teflon. Derp. Derp. Make sure the gasket, when it comes in, with the Teflon, make sure that it's clean in there. Then you put it back in. After you put a bunch of Teflon on there. And of course you guys are gonna say, that's too much Teflon. No, it isn't. I already had someone tell me that now. Work your tools. Work them. No, you have the Signet bit box with all the bits, the smaller ones. Ah, okay. All right. This is the faucet when it's installed, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the cold and hot water on. See what happens.
Mario?
Pause.
Pause the video. Anything's a toy for a cat. So,
She loves plastic. She loves to be trapped.
yeah. Just got the dresser done, still laying on its side, on its front. Gotta flip it over and move it into the bedroom, but we're gonna have some lunch first.
What's she doing? She couldn't pass through here. You're a cat.
Oh my.
That tail. It's content, kitty tail.
So, Hadar talked to the air conditioner guy this morning, and we're going to get it what day?
They're gonna call me either Monday or Thursday, and then I have
Monday
to
or
call.
Thursday.
I have to call the installer and tell them, yo, it's coming on this day, so be ready.
So about 2 weeks from now,
No,
maybe.
they say up to 10 days total.
Oh, okay.
That's the brand. The electric store says 10 days, up to 10 days.
All right, so 2 weeks from now, because your weekend is long.
It ships on Monday and Thursday, so it's gonna ship.
Yeah.
Either Monday or Thursday.
So we gotta put all these away. We gotta move some furniture. We're gonna eat some hamburgers right now.
And here's how Israel works for you. The guy who sold it to me yesterday, he knows my ex-commander, knows him personally because he was under the command of my commander's brother, which is an officer.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, oh, we know a lot of people in common. We have a lot of people in common.
Yep, being in the same army.
That's how Israel works. It's just everything's little. You know, you just
Yeah.
everyone knows everyone. It's like one big neighborhood.
Yeah, it's a little state.
Dummy cat.
So the car is good?
The car is perfect, yeah.
We're moving our bed, moving the furniture. We're gonna put in our brand new dressers. Let's see.
Dressers or mounts?
Yeah, Malm. IKEA. So this is my vanity desk that never really worked. We put a whole bunch of stuff on top of it. We're gonna move it. This is Hadar's dresser that's really small. The bed, my vanity chair. Hey. And yeah, all this stuff. So we're moving the bed over here. You'll see it in a minute. Yeah. I like it. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna move the furniture real quick. We're just gonna move it real quick. Be right back. Yeah. What is that? Oh, and how did that get over there? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, shoot. Let's see. Oh, what? What? Oh my goodness. And. Oh yeah, guys, hey, we're just gonna move this real quick. It never works out that way, does it? Big fail. Big fail. Big fail. So, no. No, we're not doing that. I have to actually move the black pieces of furniture, the 2 Malm that we just got. This is a 6 drawer. That's the 4 drawer. I thought, oh yeah, it's gonna look so good. It's gonna look so good. We're gonna have so much furniture, so much room for stuff. I gotta move them into the baby's room and move his diaper table in here and use it as a dresser. So we'll have the vanity, which I do need a vanity. I do. Oh no. I need a place to get ready. So we're gonna try to put a dresser, diaper changer right there. So, or maybe the other. I don't know which way they're at. I need some baba myself.
Talk about yourself with a camera on your face, says Andrea. On my face. Well, I'm back from 3 hours of helping my commander. 3 hours of setting up his wireless area network because he's got 2 floors and it had 2 routers. One of them died and I had to do everything all over again. So that took a while. And of course I had to have his ID and password, which he forgot. So then we had to contact the ISP, which took about an hour by itself. And I gave him Noah, the new movie Noah. Or in Hebrew, Noach. That's how it said in the Bible, so why did you change it to Noah? We also have a name called Noah. I don't get you guys, but you do what you do. So anyway, we watched that movie yesterday and it was alright. And the reason why I'm showing this is because Andrea did this by herself. Awesome, but where's the tent gonna go? See, Kitty has its spot, and these won't open all the way. Maybe they will. Oh, okay. That's alright. And because this is here, it must mean that she moved this kid's old dresser into our room, and I can already see it. Yeah. Oh, what a mess. And it's 8:30. We gotta wake up at 5:30 tomorrow. Achutza. He knows what that means very well. Out with you. Out with you. Out. What's
Got
this?
some language CDs.
Language
From
CDs.
Nancy.
For what? English?
Probably Hebrew. Hold on, I don't want to cut the box. What box?
Alright, come on.
Box? It's not a box, it's wrapped in paper, so I don't want to
Watch your
tear it.
fingers. Like butter. He's going crazy because it's so late.
It's hot in here.
Oh, thank you.
I was thinking I had air conditioning already, so I was like, why is it so hot?
We just paid for the AC. It's supposed to come here sometime this week or next week and get installed. Also, I will spend all day taking care of the house, fixing up the car. We did the car test. It's annual. You have to go there and pay 1,400 shekels, which divide that by 3.5, and that's what it costs in dollars every year to make sure that you're safe to go on the road. I showed you this. That was not done in 2 minutes. That was done in 3 hours, because this nut right here has the gasket, a threaded thing inside, so that was loose. So then it kept drizzling. I was like, wow, what's going on? And this is a brand new faucet. It's called a battery faucet in Israel. I had to go back and get the old ones, and then it still was bad. So I got the gaskets that you put between the nut and the hole here, and they were too little, so I had to get the old ones too. So basically I'm using all of the old parts except for these, which don't even fit right, and this, because this broke off. Because what I did yesterday was, okay, water kept coming out of it and it was, you know, shut all the way really hard. Now it's nice because we don't have to do that. But anyway, I was like, bang, tapped it, and it just fell over, dry rotted. In other news, we have ants, but we have something to counter them. First of all, there's the big bulks. That's the old poison that we got that's supposed to really just kill them. And then we have a mix of
It's like food and
metho something. One is a attraction type material, substance, and then the other one is a killer too. It goes to the ant's queen and it makes her not lay any more eggs, not just kill her.
But look at the
annihilates
traffic.
her. Traffic, yes.
Look at the traffic of the ants. They have like 6 highways going.
And the weird thing is, well, they picked all of that up. We're gonna show this tomorrow morning and show you guys that it's not here. Andrea cleaned this, all of this.
Yeah, I cleaned their
so you can see it clearly. The weird things, a lot of ants will do this.
They'll glom onto one piece.
They will not let anyone else have the food. They'll just eat there all day.
The bad thing is, though, we can't clean this up, and it's gross. I mean, I want to come in here and spray them and kill them, but we can't. We can't. We have to let them take it to the queen, and hopefully she will die, and hopefully all the ants in our neighborhood are going to die, and they won't come back. So.
Well, what I'm thinking is all of this
Yeah, they're going to die.
is not going to be here this morning. Well, that's what I'm hoping for. What I'm thinking is going to happen, these quinoa-like bulks or whatever, rocks,
Yeah.
they're going to stay here in my opinion, because they never did like them.
Yeah.
Because it's a killer. But they might get confused and be like, food. Oh, wait.
Food.
Fools. Baby is cryful. Been cryful all day.
You cryful.
He only pooped 7 times, I think, since
You want more?
Saturday.
I think you want more. You want more tomato?
He's not really communicating. He's just...
Well, did you like how I did the
His room?
move stuff around?
Yeah, but no room for his tent. We're going to have to get rid of that bed. A. B, we don't have room for anything under the bed, so we got to make sure we find a place
The
for it. And
tent's gonna
C,
go on the other side.
the most important thing is we have to fix our bedroom right now so we can go to sleep early tonight, because I haven't slept well for about 2 weeks and it's getting old.
Yeah.
Even today, I wanted to sleep at 1 a.m. I think. I woke up at... Yes! 5:30!
Yeah, me too.
Yes.
Well, I woke up at 2:30 because the cat peed in the plant, and I could not sleep because I was thinking of ways to punish her.
Punish her. Assassinate the cat.
I get to stuttering when I want to punish the cat. Punish.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving.
Goat! Oh, our lumber bag. So it has 2. Do you love it?
It's like Christmas.
Are you?
Thank you.
That's how I carry around the kitty. The truckhead. They were out of everything.